Let's see if these are really spicy. Oh goodness. Okay. It doesn't smell like hot Cheetos.
Smell like orange pop.
Right. Or the regular red one. Heat and citrus. Okay. I'm scared. What? Oh, it's like an aftertaste of hot.
Ah,
It doesn't hurt.
it hurt me. What the?
Probably because you drink a lot at once. I only took a sip. Mm. It's, mm, I guess it's good, but I don't like that it got so hot after. I don't like it.
Shit kind of weird. I ain't even gonna care.
I never had a drink that was hot before. I guess because all these people are eating hot chips and stuff. They just thought like, let's go with the trend. I mean, I would drink it, but now it's not something I would pick first when I go into the store. The aftertaste doesn't go with it. I mean, I would eat these. I would drink this with hot Cheetos or hot fries.
I wouldn't. I'll never be getting this again.
Yeah,
I
for
don't
me
like it.
wasting money. Ew.